Hello and welcome everybody. HKD stock on 26 November. So let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Here is going to be two circles here, and this is going to be one of the things that we should take in consideration during this part that moves. And since we see that kind of part, it's going to be about how HKD stock will be. So the answer is about the HKD will be uh, what one of the things that is going to be important. So about what is going to be the name of the HKD stock is going to be AMTD digital, since it increased here from 22 July 2022 until it reached here 04 August 2022, and it decreased here to 13 October 2022, and it made a spill or small spike on 14 September 2022. So that this is the journey that what we see about HKD stock nowadays, and hope you benefit from the price prediction that I could explain in this video.